Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. And fi'l mudari. In this lesson, you will learn fi'l mudari in complete tense using TPI. As you know, mashallah, it's easy, interesting, and interactive. So you do it yourself. Use TPI.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sit.
Mm-hmm.
Thinking.
Yes.
Say it.
Yes.
Saw it.
Yes.
Love it.
Yes.
Do it together.
MashaAllah. You remember Arabic words are of three types.
Yes.
Ism, fi'al, harf. Ism, fi'al, harf. So we have done the basic grammar of noun, and it will be later on also, inshallah. But now we are doing the second one. I mean, fi'al, verb, or so, and this is the second kind of verb. I mean, the first one was complete, madi, and this one is incomplete, mudari. We are gonna do. Yes. So fi'al, verb. In Arabic language, most of verbs are made up of three letters. I mean, root letters. So read these four. What are these four?
Fa'alu, fataha, nasra, darb. Fa'alu, fataha, nasra, darb.
MashaAllah. Very good. Fa'ala, fataha, nasara, daraba. So Mazi perfect tense and complete tense, which is done. Mudari imperfect tense, that which is not done yet, being done or will be done.
Yeah.
So Mazi perfect tense, that which is done, mashallah. Let's do fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altu, fa'altum, fa'alna.
Fahala.
Yes.
Fahalu. Fa'alta.
Good.
Fa'altum. Fa'altum. Fa'alna.
MashaAllah. Daraba. Daraba Mazi. He hit.
Daraba.
Yes.
Darabut.
Right side, right side, right side. No, not here.
Okay. Daraba. Darabu.
Yes.
Darabuta.
Yes.
Darabutu.
Good, mashallah.
Darabutum. Darabna.
MashaAllah. And Sami'a.
Sami'a. Sami'u.
Sami'u.
Sami'u. Sami'ata.
Yes.
Sami'atu. Sami'atum. Sami'una.
Sami'na.
Sami'una.
Sami'na. Yes. Today's lesson. We have divided every lesson into small units for practice break. So let's do the first one. Mudari imperfect tense, that which is not done yet, being done or will be done. So fi'l is of three types. Fi'l is of three types. Fi'l mudari imperfect tense. Imperfect tense. Like Yasir. Yasir.
Yasir.
Yes. Yasir, this is a name. This is a name, Yasir. So it is like Yaf'alu. Fa'ala, and this will be on eye level. Yaf'alu. Yes, eye level,
Yaf'alu.
right side, not upper, right side. Yes. So
Yaf'alu.
yaf'alu means he does. Yaf'alu
He
means
does.
he
He
does.
does.
Yes. And yaf'aluna, they do.
Yaf'aluna,
Yaf'aluna,
they do.
they do.
They
Taf'alu,
do.
you do.
Taf'alu, you do.
Af'alu, I do.
Af'alu, I do.
Taf'aluna, you all do.
Taf'aluna, you all do.
You're in front of in front. I mean, not like your hand is looking like you are indicating to the roof and sky. So it should be like
Taf'aluna, you
some.
all do.
Yes, you all do. The people are sitting in front of you and you are in. Yeah,
You all
pointing.
do.
Yes. Naf'alu, we do. We do.
Naf'alu, we do.
Yeah. So like yaf'alu, yaf'alu, yaf'alu.
Yaf'alu.
Yes, he does.
He does.
Yaf'alu, he does. So just say
Yaf'alu, he does.
yaf'alu, yaf'aluna.
Yaf'alu, yaf'aluna.
Taf'alu, af'alu.
Taf'alu, af'alu.
Yes. Taf'aluna, naf'alu.
Taf'aluna, naf'alu.
Yes. We don't say naf'aluna. So just taf'aluna,
Yeah,
naf'alu.
taf'aluna, naf'alu.
You remember na'budu, nasta'inu?
Yes.
So like naf'alu, na'budu, naf'alu.
Naf'alu,
Yes.
taf'aluna.
Yes, yes, yes. So like Yasir, this is a name, and Yaf'alu, Yasiruna, like similar to the plural, like this is a plural. So Yaf'aluna. Tawfiq, you know, Tawfiq is a name. So Taf'alu, Taf'alu. Ana, Af'alu, Af'alu, Ana, Af'alu. And Tawfiqun, like Tawfiq is singular and Tawfiquna is plural, like so taf'aluna and nahnu naf'alu. So hal yaf'al?
Hal yaf'al. Naam.
Does he do? Naam, yaf'al, he does.
Naam, yaf'al.
Hal yaf'aluna?
Hal yaf'aluna. Naam, yaf'aluna.
Does they do?
As they do, yes, they do.
They do.
They do.
Do they do? Do they do? Does he do?
Yes.
Okay, now let's see the change. Let's see the change. I mean, like fa'ala, fa'alu. Fa'ala.
Fa'ala,
on this
fa'alu.
level. Fa'ala, fa'alu.
Fa'alu, fa'ala. Fa'ala, fa'alu.
And yaf'alu, yaf'aluna.
Yaf'alu, yaf'aluna.
Fa'alta, fa'altu.
Fa'alta, fa'altu.
No.
Fa'alta, fa'altu.
Fa'altu.
Fa'alta, fa'altu.
I did. Fa'altu, I did.
Oh, fa'altu.
Yes.
Fa'altu, fa'altum.
Fa'altum, fa'alna.
Fa'altum, fa'altum, fa'alna.
So taf'alu, af'alu.
Taf'alu, af'alu.
This level, af'alu.
Af'alu.
Taf'alu, taf'alu.
Taf'alu.
Yes, af'alu.
Af'alu. Taf'alu, af'alu.
Taf'aluna, naf'alu.
Taf'aluna, نفعل.
فعلت.
فعل.
فعلت.
فعل.
فعلت. Let. This one. فعلت.
Oh, فعلت.
Yes. فعلت. He did. She did. She did.
She did. فعلت. She did.
And تفعل.
تفعل.
Just one. Index finger, left side. Index finger, left side. فعلت.
فعلت.
Elbow level. فعلت.
فعلت.
She did.
She did it.
تفعل. She does.
تفعل. She does.
Yes. Like
She did
فعل. فعل. He did. يفعل. He does. فعل. She did. تفعل. She does.
فعلت. She did.
فعل.
تفعل.
فعل. Right
فعلت.
hand.
فعلت. فعلت.
Yes. فعلت. She did.
She did it. تفعل. She does.
She does. Yes. تفعل. She does.
تفعل. She
Okay,
does.
let's practice more. يفعل. يفعلون.
يفعل. يفعلون.
تفعل. أفعل.
تفعل. تفعل. أفعل. تفعل. أفعل.
تفعلون. نفعل.
تفعلون. نفعل.
نفعل. Upper level. تفعلون. نفعل. So تفعلون. نفعل. تفعلون. نفعل.
تفعلون.
نفعل.
تفعلون. نفعل.
Yes. And
تفعلون. They
تفعل.
did it. نفعل. We did it.
No. تفعل. You do. أفعل. I do. تفعلون. You all do. نفعل. We all do.
Mhm.
This is incomplete. I mean imperfect. So تفعل. She does.
Mhm.
Left hand, index finger, upper level. تفعل. She does.
تفعل. She does.
Yes. تفعل. She does.
تفعل. She does.
So يفعل. يفعلون.
يفعل. يفعلون.
تفعل. أفعل.
تفعل. أفعل.
تفعلون. نفعل.
تفعلون. نفعل.
تفعل.
تفعل.
Good,
See that?
mashallah. Yes. Now you do yourself. One time you do yourself.
يفعل. يفعلون. تفعل. أفعل. تفعلون. نفعلون.
نفعل.
تفعلون. نفعل.
Yes.
تفعلون.
تفعل. Just تفعل. This one.
تفعل. Oh yes, تفعل. نفعل. تفعل.
Yes, mashallah. Okay.
Mm.
جعل. يجعل. We have done جعل. يجعل. فعل. يفعل. And فتح. يفتح. Like يفعل. يفعل. He does. يجعل. He makes. يجعل. He makes. First pattern,
يجعل
change of
he
letters. Yes. So yaf'alu, he does. Yaj'alu,
يفعل يفعل he does.
yaj'alu,
يجعل
he
he
makes.
makes. He makes.
Yes, yaj'alu, he makes. So yaf'alu, yaf'aluna,
يفعل يفعلون
taf'alu,
تف
af'alu,
تف تفعل تفعل أفعل
taf'aluna,
تفعلون
naf'alu.
نفعل.
Taf'alu. You remember that?
تفعل.
Now,
See.
let's do yaj'alu. Yaj'alu. Yaj'alu, he makes.
يجعل he makes.
Yaj'aluna,
يجعلون they make.
they make.
They
But
make.
there is no translation. I mean, we can do if we
Okay.
on. Taj'alu,
يجعل
you do. Yeah, yaj'alu, yaj'aluna.
يجعلون
Taj'alu,
تجعل
aj'alu,
أجعل
taj'aluna,
تجعلون
naj'alu,
نجعل
taj'alu.
تجعل.
Left hand, taj'alu. Left hand, this is your right hand.
Oh,
Use left hand, taj'alu.
city.
Yeah,
Taj'alu.
why you forget she?
Okay, تجعل. She's over there.
Yes,
Why she don't
she's
come?
don't forget she, otherwise there is no food, no living, no room, no man. and maybe we will thrown outside because
So,
there is nothing if there is not she.
أنا أجعل.
Yes.
أنت أجعل.
Anta taj'alu.
وأنت تجعل.
Yes. نحن نجعل. أنتم تجعلون. Like this is okay, we can do like this is
أنتم
هو يجعل, هم يجعلون, أنت تجعل, أنا أجعل, أنتم تجعلون, نحن نجعل, هي تجعل.
هي تجعل.
Yes.
هي تجعل.
Yes. Let's do جعل يجعل.
جعل.
No, جعل this level. Now be careful. Be careful. جعل يجعل.
جعل يجعل.
جعلوا يجعلون.
جعلوا يجعلون.
Perfect, mashallah. جعلت جعلت تجعل.
جعلت.
First lower level and second upper level.
جعلت
تجعل.
جعلت تجعل.
No, just one. جعلت
جعلت
تجعل.
جعلت تجعل.
like جعلت أجعل.
جعلت أجعل. جعلت أجعل. نعم. جعلت.
Yeah, the
أجعل.
difference should be جعلت أجعل. So جعلتم
جعلتم
تجعلون.
تجعلون. جعلتم تجعلون.
جعلنا
جعلنا
نجعل.
نجعل.
Yes, نجعل. Okay, so
أنا جعلت.
نحن جعلنا.
No, أنا جعلنا.
Yes, أنا جعلت. Yes, أنا جعلت. I make.
أنا أجعل.
أنا أجعل, I make.
أنا أجعل.
Yes, mashallah. So يجعل يجعلون. Do it. يجعل يجعلون.
Yes. But
Mhm. يجعل يجعلون.
يجعلوا يجعلون
تجعل أجعل.
تجعلوا أجعل
تجعلون نجعل.
تجعلون نجعل.
Upper level. Remember in فعل مضارع imperfect.
تجعلون نجعل.
Yes, this is very important. So هل يجعل.
هل يجعل؟
Mm.
لا يجعل.
لا يجعل. Does he do? No, he doesn't.
No,
he
he
doesn't.
doesn't do.
Yeah, sorry, not do. Does he make? Does he make? So he doesn't make. لا يجعل, he doesn't make.
لا يجعل.
هل يجعلون?
هل
Does they make?
يجعلون؟
Yeah. لا يجعلون.
لا يجعلون.
لا يجعلون. They don't make.
They don't make.
So هل تجعل؟
هل تجعل؟
لا أجعل.
لا أجعل.
هل تجعلون؟
هل تجعلون؟
لا نجعل.
لا نجعل.
نجعل نجعل نجعل. No, the action is not right. The action is wrong. لا نجعل.
Oh, we.
You forget yourself? Oh. Yes.
لا نجعل.
So homework is فتح يفتح. You have to do فتح يفتح. You have to do yourself. Like فتح يفتح. فتحوا يفتحون. فتحت تفتح. فتحت أفتح. فتحتم تفتحون. فتحنا نفتح.
فتح يفتح.
Yeah.
فتحنا.
The upper level in imperfect.
Okay. فتحنا يفتحون. فتحت.
Yeah.
فتحت. فتحتها. فتحته. أو تفتحوا.
تفتح.
فتحت.
تفتح. Yes.
فتحنا. أفتح.
No. فتحت أفتح.
فتحت أفتح.
Yes.
فتحتم.
تفتحون.
تفتحون. فتحنا. نفتح.
Good, mashallah. Very good, very good.
So this is the airplane.
Yeah. Learning tip. Use your ears. Use your ears. Whenever Allah refers to the creation of men, the hearing sense is mentioned first. وَجَعَلَ لَكُمُ السَّمْعَ. وَجَعَلَ لَكُمُ السَّمْعَ وَالْأَبْصَارَ وَالْأَفْئِدَةَ. Yeah, a blind person can become a scholar, but a dumb person cannot. You can listen to a radio without picture, but can't watch a TV without sound. So here, hearing sense is a great gift of Allah. And I heard the incident of a Muslim girl who died singing a song. Why? Maybe because she was listening to songs most of the time. Allah knows. May Allah forgive us and forgive her. So stop using your ears in wrong deeds. At that time, once recalls the things that he or she has been hearing throughout her life. So we should hear good thing like tilawa, like lesson, like lecture, Islamic, any tafsir or hadith. Use these blessings of Allah in the best way for learning the Quran. This is the 5th assignment, listening to the WFW, translation of course and grammar. Okay, so learning to the word for word translation of course.
Give me remote.
Grammar. Okay, 5th assignment, the duration of the complete course recording is just about 1 hour, divided into the clips of 3 each. So you can easily listen to the recording whether you are traveling or doing household work. You can also record it in your own voice using your mobile and listen to it repeatedly. This pocket book I have sent you, pocket book. Remember, by the end of 12th lesson, we learned 144 words which occur in the Quran almost 31,638 times, mashallah. So may Allah help us to recite, ponder, understand, implement, propagate, memorize, and yes, to learn and teach the Quran. Ameen ya Rabb.
Ameen ya Rabb.
سبحانك اللهم بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. MashaAllah. Very fastly you have learned these words. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
And today the words were confusing. Some confusing. Like yaftahu, yajalu, yansuru, yan,
You
and
have your school
this,
to
this
Quran.
and that, and this and that.
You could 11 o'clock the Quran teacher.
Like you have to change your action. Fa'ala, yaf'alu, and ja'ala, yaj'alu. So the change of actions.
Naam.
So maybe just for a day there should be a there may be a confusion, but inshallah ta'ala after in the next class I think it will be resolved inshallah.
Anta yaf'alu.
Anta taf'alu. Anta taf'alu.
Anta taf'alu.
Yeah. Naam af'al. So inshallah ta'ala it will be day by day, it will be easy for us inshallah.
Allah.